Hello tech lovers, today's video is on XT6 mini drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. When we need drones, we search for them depending on our needs, features, and budget. Depending on them, sometimes we buy normal big drones and sometimes mini drones. There are many reasons behind buying a mini drone. And if you are searching for a mini drone, then this video is for you. In this video, we have discussed a specific drone, its features, and qualities. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. In centimeter, its expanded size is 18 by 15 by 4 centimeters and the folded size is 8 by 8.5 by 4 centimeters. The folded design it has is small and compact. The design has made it lighter and carry. It can be folded in 3 seconds. Compared to the past carrying heavy drone, it is more worry-free. It has high-definition dual camera. With dual camera switch, you can get rid of fixed angle of view. With these dual camera switch, you will expand the shooting range and capture more shocking videos. This drone has a modular battery. This modular battery is designed in a great way that you can easily install it and will get ease in taking it out too. So you will be able to use it for a long time by using multiple batteries easily, one after the other, and enjoy flying drones for a long time. The battery is provided with a 500 mAh capacity that can provide about 12 minutes of battery life. Now it is time to discuss various functions of XT6 mini drone. Hovering is a smart and needed feature. It is a very peaceful feature. It provides the drone operators with some much needed relaxation. Because of this feature, some awesome scenery could be shot. Because some of the sceneries require stable shot. Having this positioning hovering by calculating the flight pressure, it can effectively keep the aircraft stable in flight. It can play an anti-shake effect to prevent blurry aerial photography. Watching a scenery in view from a high in the sky is enjoyable. It is one of the main attractions of flying a drone. Without this main attraction, it will be boring to fly a drone. It is like blindly operating a drone. So, it is very necessary for drones. Phone control is a very contemporary feature. Because nowadays mobile phone is one of the most favored device of people. Everyone has a mobile phone. It is highly accessible. So, controlling a drone through phone is easy. You can download the officially designated app. Having this amazing feature on this particular drone, you will be able to connect your phone with the drone's Wi-Fi and be able to perform multi-function control. Tracking finger is a very useful feature in a drone. It's a flyer-friendly feature and makes the flying process easy and comfortable. You can raw flight path on the screen, and this drone will follow the specified path and perform autonomous flight. 360-degree trick rolls are fun to have. It is eye-soothing to watch directly, and the clips they provide is also great. This drone is also capable of performing a 360-degree trick roll. It can perform 360-degree aerial stints with one click. Turning and scrolling, no need for tedious manipulation. Experience more fun flying stints. One key takeoff and landing makes the taking off and landing process easier than ever. Takeoff and landing or return can be easily achieved with one button via the remote. It has some variety of intelligent operations. When you lose your way, you can recall it by one key return. MV production is fun to have. You can do some interesting jobs. After clicking the MV button in the upper left corner of the screen on the page, you can enter the MV interface and can add back to the recorded video with music and special effects, cropping, etc. Watching drone clips through VR is really fun. It provides a great experience. Through mobile app, with virtual reality glasses, you can feel the emptiness from the perspective of migratory birds immersive. Who doesn't like a well-balanced, stable device? Generally, with 6-axis gyroscope, one drone becomes balanced and stable. Having upgraded 6-axis gyroscope on this device, you get automatic intelligent balance correction during flight. The flight is more stable and the control is more convenient. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are compact and portable small design, well-balanced and stable device, speed switch, and many more. And the cons are The battery capacity could be better. The camera quality could be better. After knowing all the features from this video, we think you should investigate this device more. Check out its price. It is definitely a budget drone with lots of great features and qualities. I think with all these features it deserves a shot. So don't worry, do hurry and give it a shot. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.